YouTube gardener. This is Marcelina at Cashew Breeze and Gang. Happy spring, guys! So today we're going to do a spring pruning. So we're going to prune a rose. So let's get started. Alright, before we start pruning our roses, I want to ask a special request from you all. Give me a favor. We need 12 subscribers every day to meet the 1,000 subscribers for this month. And in order for me to keep my channel alive, I need more subscribers. And do you think you can help this little Filipina out? I enjoyed gardening. This is my passion. And of course, I also love YouTube. I've been always in YouTube, looking what other people are doing. And it is really interesting. And I learn a lot in YouTube. And also what I have learned from the other people, I also that share to you guys. And in order for me to keep loading more videos, I need more subscriber. And if you can help me out, I would appreciate as much, and deep in my heart I would appreciate what you do. It makes me excited just so seeing, every day I check my channel just to see who is subscribing and who are people watching the video, so I can help those people. And I think that's about it. And again, thank you guys. And if you are watching this video and this is the first time for you to watch this video, or you're new to my channel, so consider subscribing. And thank you very much. So let's get started, and I'll take you to the rose garden. Here in Ohio, we are so lucky we have mild winter, so majority of our roses are doing okay. They survive in the winter. As you can see, they're budding right now. The tip is damaged, so we're going to remove this. This one here, this is my lavender rose, and it seems like it's doing good. There is already a few buds in here, and these branches in here, these two branches are turning black, so we definitely remove this. This rose here in this third raised bed is not doing well. As you can see, the branch is damaging here, and this other branches, two branches here, and this one here. So this is the rose that has already been contracted with a disease, and it has been struggling since last summer. I tried to treat the disease, but I thought this rose won't make it for the winter, but luckily still alive. And as you can see, the crown, as long the crown is still green, and this probably will make it through summer. And if not, we just remove this rose and replace a new one. And again, this rose is not doing good, so some of the branches are turning black. And I tried to insulate this rose because I love this rose. This is a floribunda, and this is only one cultivar. I have it in here, so I tried to keep this alive. So what we're going to do here, we're going to remove this styrofoam and remove all of this pile of compost, because we don't want moisture inside. Building up moisture, it causes more damages to the plant. So this rose has two branches that are damaged, and what we're doing here, as you can see, the top is black all the way down to this part here. Now here's the bud, it's crossover, so we don't need this bud. Here is another bud going outside, so we're going to cut till this area that it is not affected. So again, spray again with alcohol, spray your pruner. So make sure that your pruner is sharp, because you don't want to cross the branch. This one here, so spray it again. Okay, so now this plant will produce more buds. Alright, so this one here, it's damaged, so we're going to remove this all the way down here, close to this branch. Okay, so we prune our roses. This is the aftermath. So I try to get the damage as many as I can. And so right here, I cut it off. And this is how it looks like now. This one here, when I cut few branches, I take out the branch that there is still infected with disease and all the way down. This one here, I cut the dead branch, and so this is spring pruning, so you have to do it again later on or next few months. So we're just removing the dead cane and some of the branches that are not doing good. Alright, so this is the end of our video for today. So we prune our roses. Now, pruning roses is personal preferences. How I prune my roses or how I want my roses look like after pruning might be different from yours. So it is personal preferences. It depends upon your taste, how would you like your roses look like after you prune them. And the only thing I'm concerned about is that always get a habit of sterilizing your pruner or disinfect your pruner. So make sure that it is clean and sharp and before you start pruning the rose. And also when you're done, don't just leave those dead branches lying on the ground, because this would cause a big problem for your plants. So make sure that you clean everything, throw it in the garbage or in the trash and close the bag. And all those is a basic principles for all gardeners. I hope this video would help you guys. Stay tuned. See you next time. Bye-bye.